is our purple red cabbage juice experiment. We are going to take this red cabbage juice. I soaked some red cabbage, I boiled it, took as much of the color out as I could, and it's been sitting in the fridge for a day or two. We're going to fill our test tubes with this liquid. Here's our very first one done already, and that's what it looks like. Juice. Just cabbage juice. If I can get the camera to focus on it. Could you click on the camera? There we go.
There.
It's hard to see the color.
It's actually purple in person.
It's very purple. You can see it a little bit through the light there. So we're going to fill up our test tubes, and then we're going to try some different things in it to see what it does to the color. Not yet.
I know.
So we have salt, baking soda, sugar, cocoa powder. That's Hershey's cocoa powder. So we have vodka, pickle juice, milk, Coke Zero, vegetable oil, balsamic vinegar, rice wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar, white vinegar, and lime juice.
And a partridge in a pear tree.
Yeah.
And a partridge in a pear tree.
And a cat.
And we have 2 experimenters and a cat.
2.5.
And we are going to fill up our test tubes right now, and we will get back as we continue our experiment. So here's what we're gonna do. We have everything filled up to the same amount. They are between 30 and 35 milliliters. We have lots and lots of things to try. So now is the time, guys. Which one are we gonna start with? We're gonna start with.
No, I'm choose.
You guys can each choose one to start with. Ben wants to start with the Coke Zero? Okay. So Ben, we're going to put a pipette in. Here, let's try in front of the camera. We're going to put a pipette in. Squeeze it. Is it in?
No, Abby can do.
You want me to squeeze it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa, did you just get purpler?
All right. So that is 3 milliliters. I'm going to put that
No,
one
we need a cap.
back in the corresponding
on me,
spot.
Vodka's leaking on me.
Well, what are you doing with it?
Waiting?
Why are you... Just choose a thing to pour it into, but not this.
Wow!
Oh, Ben got foamy results. Foamy results, that's the Coke Zero. It's going to go into the first spot. So when you put your things back, Abby, make sure you put your thing back in the corresponding spot so we know which one on this side corresponds with this one.
My turn again.
So, wait, Ben, just a sec.
I'm choosing milk.
We have to get a new pipette.
Oh, I meant this one.
That one? Okay. So
Mom,
grab a new
it's
dropper
only because I
and
have
squeeze it in and scoop out as much as you can.
Oh, this one's fresher. And I'm going to do what's this?
That's balsamic vinegar. So Andrew's doing balsamic vinegar, and Ben is doing...
It was on this one.
What's that one? Oil? Oh no, this one is rice wine vinegar. Ben's doing rice wine.
3.5 milliliters going in.
All right, Ben, this one is yours to do. Scoop it in there, and then grab another scooper of it. Grab another dropper.
I'm not exactly a fan of
Ben,
balsamic vinegar.
scoop up some more.
Oh, Mom, it
Only
just
got
got like
half of a portion. We might even need to do like a little bit more until you start to see some color changes.
Oh, I see something.
Like Abby, you might need to grab more of the vodka. Yeah.
Abby, I see purple.
Squeeze a little bit more, Ben.
I see purple.
Ben, no, squeeze a little more into there, please.
Mom,
just
look,
see purple.
mine got lighter. See, like mine got bluer. The vodka.
Okay, you might need to put some more vodka in it.
Oh, Mom, look.
Oh,
This is
the
balsamic
bubbles.
vinegar. Corresponding spot. So I just have to put more vodka.
Yeah, so let's maybe if the droppers aren't doing it, we can just pour. But try with the droppers. See how many
So this is the
droppers you
balsamic
need.
vinegar dropper.
Can you put this in?
Yeah. Do you need some more in there?
Another 3 milliliters going
Okay,
in.
shake it, Ben. Shake and see if you get any color difference.
30 extra milliliters.
Oh, it's turning kind of pink. We might need some more, Ben.
What?
Wow. Let's open it up and we'll put even more. I think our droppers don't drop enough.
Mom, vodka does nothing. I'm not surprised because it's clear.
It's not about the clearness, actually. It's about its chemical properties. Yes, it is a chemical reaction.
Oh, Mom got bluer. It got
Yeah,
bluer.
that's right.
got
All
blue right
right,
off
let's
the
pour some into that one, Ben. Now put the lid on and shake. I think we're just going to
I
have to do
needed
some
to
pouring.
do that. The lime juice is going to do something.
Okay, let's do some more in the Coke, too, would you?
Okay, until I get a color reaction.
Yeah.
What the?
Wow, look at that one.
I hope it doesn't.
That one was a
Where's the
type of
pipette?
vinegar.
Where's the pipette?
Abby, just pour, I said.
No, I'm trying to
So
find the
that
pipette.
one is vinegar. Look in the sun. How that changes. We're going to have to hold them all up to the
Can you
sun.
hold that one?
All right, so that one's
Wait,
the vinegar. And this one, Abby, you did.
vodka. No, that one's not vodka. That one's balsamic.
This one's
Wait, Ben,
balsamic
you need to slow
vinegar.
down, Ben. You need to slow down.
I choose milk.
Ben, you need to slow down.
Okay.
Mom, I choose milk.
You choose milk? Okay, take this one and just pour the milk in. Pour the milk. I'm gonna hold that.
This one has not changed. Coke does nothing.
Okay, pour it and fill it up a little more. Okay, stop.
Oh,
and put the
wow.
milk, put the milk back.
It's getting a little more blue. Abby, look at mine.
Put a fresh lid on there. That's a fresh
that
lid.
milk?
That one's milk. All right, put the lid on and shake.
Ah, drips.
Can you Try to hold it up.
All right, let's see. This one is vodka. It's
No, that
hard
one's
to-
not vodka.
What is this
That
one?
one's Coke. Coke
Is
Zero.
it? Oh, this one's Coke Zero. All right,
I
let's
choose
see.
my next one.
Yeah, we got to test them with the lids off. So
Wait,
that,
Mom, which
like,
one was lime
come in.
juice?
That's Coke Zero. It's hard to say.
What's lime juice? Wait, no, that's...
Maybe we'll get a flashlight and flash them
Mom,
through.
I'm getting very confused. So milk is there.
Milk is there. So the next
Can I
one is
put
this
pipette in
one.
it to like show that it was done?
All right, this is the next one. You
Where's
could
the
just
milk
pour it in
pipette?
from.
Where's the milk pipette?
There isn't. We just poured it in. We're just pouring it in now. That one is
Oh,
Mom,
apple
can I pour
cider
this in
vinegar.
of this?
Oh, that
got
one's
pinker.
already
Mom, got
changing.
pinker.
You still have to shake it.
Can you
Oh.
do this, Mom?
Yeah,
But there's only a little bit.
it's okay.
It's
Here,
like
here's the lid, Abby.
Okay, I already using a lid.
34.
Yeah, you've got oil there, so we're gonna see if it mixes at all or it does any change. Abby, careful not to bump
I
it.
can't help it close.
It's science. Good.
Oh, that's a... Oh!
So that
I'm
one's
not
oil.
surprised.
Wow. Look.
Where are we putting that one back?
I hope this is a changing color
This one
one.
got red.
Oh, Abby, let's see yours. That one was which vinegar?
Vinegar.
Apple cider vinegar?
Yeah, apple cider, yeah.
Apple cider vinegar really did a pinkish color.
Apple cider vinegar.
Let's see.
I'm gonna do apple cider next.
Abby did apple cider. That's regular vinegar.
Oh.
All right, then you have oil in this one. It
Oh, Mom, vinegar got
so it didn't change the color very much.
Apple cider.
Maybe a little bit lighter because we shook it.
No, Ben, we already
That
did
was
apple
oil.
cider. No, no.
Abby's not letting me try.
No, you have you do some pickle juice.
No, apple
Smell it.
cider.
No, we already did that one. Do
Wait,
you want to do baking soda?
Ew.
Yeah, it's pickle juice. Apple cider vinegar smells bad too.
Yeah, apple cider vinegar smells bad. Here, what's that one? That one's sugar or salt? You guys move them all around.
No, I'm just...
Sugar.
That one's sugar. Okay,
This
how about you
one's
do
pickle
a spoon of sugar into this one, Ben? I'll hold that.
I'll do the not solid.
We got a little bit crazy, everyone going all at once. All right, put lots of sugar in there.
Yes, lots.
Lots of sugar. Okay, one more scoop and then
What's
you
this
can
one?
shake it.
Lime?
Lime juice, yeah.
This one's the one that I was really excited for.
Lime juice.
Whoa.
Whoa, that changed like right away instantly.
The
Like,
more I
super pink.
add, the more pink it gets.
So what we're learning is that the more acidic it is, the more red it goes.
I don't have any lithium batteries.
But the milk is a base, and that went more like
Look,
purple.
and that one's...
Yeah, that one doesn't go.
then
That one goes in
that
front of
one
its
goes
own.
in
So put that next to that.
Dibs on cocoa.
Next cocoa. Okay. So let's see, how did our sugar do? I'm gonna keep shaking the sugar. We can't really
Oh,
see.
baking soda.
Yeah, the baking soda is gonna make the most dramatic difference of
think.
all of the powders.
Will
I
it
think.
explode?
Will it explode? No, it won't explode. And let's take our fresh teaspoon.
Here's the cocoa mixer.
Okay. You're mixing.
Oh,
the cocoa.
ew. It didn't mix.
I'll keep shaking because cocoa is hydrophobic, so it doesn't
is.
really
Very hydrophobic.
mix easily. Keep going, Ben. A little bit more.
Oh, it's becoming more... It's getting definitely
Okay.
turning.
Oh, it's turning blue.
What?
Baking soda
Can I
turns.
do salt?
Look at that. We're gonna shake that, and you're gonna see it's gonna turn even more blue.
Let's do this.
I want to do...
What is at the bottom?
Wow. So baking soda bases turn cabbage
base.
blue, and I think I read somewhere that they use
Wow.
cabbage juice as a pH tester
It turned
because
purple
it
to
changes color. It turns so blue. Wow. Look at that
Do
blue.
I see? Whoa!
Wow.
Is that the same red cabbage juice?
We put 3 teaspoons into that one. That's pretty good. Do we have any left? Oh, Abby's doing the last one now. So this is the,
We are trying that.
No,
that's the
salt.
chocolate.
Oh.
We see, looks definitely chocolatier. I think we're gonna have to find a flashlight.
So it's just purple.
It's just
I'm gonna
purple.
add more salt.
Okay, add more salt.
Oh.
And look at this one. What was this one? That was lime juice. Wow, look at the color of that. Lime juice.
Oh, Mom, it makes
We
it
have
fizz.
this one.
Mom, look, it
white
makes it
vinegar.
fizz when I pour it in. Look. See, it fizzes a bit. See, it fizzes a
That's
bit.
salt.
Mom, I want to try that
No,
one.
we already did that.
We already did all of them. So now we have to decide which one. Oh, look at this one. This is our oil. Does that look really cool?
I want to.
Don't open it
Why?
because you don't need to open it.
I want to open it.
Okay.
Oh, Mom, look, it's a bit blue on the bottom. Look where all the salt is.
Oh.
I'll see.
I think it's just because it's undiluted. So just keep shaking it. See if you can get it to, or not undiluted, undissolved.
Oh, Mom, look, it got like a bit bluer.
A little bluer.
We have to add a lot of salt.
Yeah.
I'm gonna add
Okay.
some salt.
And then I think that we're going to find. So here's all of our
We just make
tests.
drink.
Can we do vinegar and
We're gonna not yet. We're gonna find a flashlight
Mom,
and
I
record our
want to
results.
I'm just starting.
Okay, so now we have our flashlights, and we're gonna look through and see if we can show you kind of the different colors and what they turned out to be.
This is
So
salt.
this is, I thought this one's salt.
No, no, mine is salt. That's
Okay,
baking soda.
this is baking soda. It definitely turned blue. It's not even all dissolved. Definitely turned blue.
I probably added like a quarter cup of salt to this.
Here is salt.
Probably
lots
about-
and lots of salt.
About a quarter cup, maybe.
Mostly it's undissolved. It definitely,
Mom,
the salt
It takes a lot.
kind of bluer.
No, it's
Mom?
because I added like a quarter cup.
Oh, there we go.
Mom,
Bench.
everyone comes out black.
Oh, there we go.
but
Okay,
that
if I
one's
turn
pink.
my
And
camera
it comes
light
out
on.
white.
So that's the salt.
Oh,
It doesn't look that. Here is our
cocoa.
cocoa powder.
Kind of used it.
Oh. Stop.
There's cocoa powder. Okay, which one? This one's sugar. That's sugar. Doesn't look like it made any difference. Oh, that looks cool. Thanks for shining your light through. Yeah,
Both.
maybe the light does make a difference. What if I shine it through the bottom?
I want to try. I want to shine it for the
It's hard
bottom.
to say. All right, and then we have lime juice. You can definitely tell the difference. Lime juice. Is our lime juice, and this one is white vinegar. Can we compare our lime juice and vinegar? So, the lime juice, we put a little bit more lime juice in than vinegar because you can see the different levels in there.
Look. Mom, look.
Wow, you're stacking them. I hope you didn't lose place. Which one is this one? It's apple cider vinegar.
I want to turn
So, compared to our lime juice, apple cider vinegar is still less pink.
Wait, Mom. I just realized it goes pink and then it goes blue.
Then you can't mix up what order these are in, please. Okay, and this one is white wine vinegar. I think still our lime juice is even more acidic. Still. Let's see, there's our Coke Zero. Can we see anything with Coke Zero?
I see.
Compared to our control.
Mom, you don't let me see.
Here, take this. So this is our Coke.
Coke
And this is
Zero.
our control.
Coke Zero.
Yeah,
Coke
Zero.
1.
I don't think I see any difference really. Maybe a little bit in the bubbles. Yeah, maybe it's slightly lighter. That makes me thirsty. All right, there's our control for everyone, just so you can see. Control, and there's our lightest lime juice. Control, lime juice. And this one is, what one was this one, Ben?
Apple cider?
Oh, this is pickle juice.
Oh, pickle juice.
That one's pickle juice compared to our control. Slightly lighter. You can see with the light. Hard to say. Here we go.
Hi, Hudson K. Hi, Hudson K.
Here's our oil. You can see it didn't mix it. Wait, not quite. You want to say hi? Hi. Say I'm adorable.
I'm adorable.
I'm a little scientist.
I'm a little scientist.
Say, no, don't put your hand on it. Say, I'm a little scientist.
I'm a little scientist.
There you go.
I'll see the picture.
I didn't take a picture. It's a video. That's the milk compared to our control. Definitely whitened it. If it did nothing for the color.
Mom, look.
This one is balsamic vinegar. Let's see. Balsamic vinegar, you can see in the bubbles that it did brighten our color a little bit.
Mom,
And last but not least, this is vodka.
Mom, I can see the difference.
I
This
see.
one has way more bubbles.
That one has more bubbles. I don't see any difference in color though. There we go. And that is our cabbage juice experiment. Now Ben's going to mix the colors to his heart's delight and do all the things. And I'm going to get rid of anything that's not safe for children to play with.
Oh, they want that one.
Oh, that's vinegar.
I want all of them.
You can't have this one
Why?
because it's not safe for children to play with.
Why that one?
It's alcohol.
Alcohol?
Yeah, not for children. Okay, say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Look at the camera. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
There you go.